in the Nithari serial killings were today sentenced to death by a court in Uttar Pradesh. The verdict against Moninder Pandher has come as a surprise for the CBI, which investigated the case, since they believe Pandher was actually out of the country when this particular murder, one of 19 in Nithari, took place. Siddharth Pandey reports.
I'm the child of a lower god or something. Yeah? Like maybe we deserve it. Yeah? Like maybe an innocent man should die. Then fine. If that's what gives everyone pleasure, an innocent man being hanged to death, so be it. Yeah.
हाँ, अदालत के ऊपर हम 2 साल से जितना भरोसा था, हाँ, हमारा भरोसा आज पूरी हो गया। जैसा हमारा साथ वकील था, हमारा वो दिशिक जी था, हमारा खालिद खान भी था, हाँ, हमारा बहुत मदद किया था। हम गरीब आदमी तो इतना लड़ नहीं पाता है ना।
A travesty for a son and justice for a father. After a CBI court in Ghaziabad sentenced Moninder Singh Pandher, a businessman, and his domestic help Surinder Kohli to death for sexually assaulting, murdering and dismembering 19 children from Nithari, a suburban village in Noida. While for the family members of the victims, this verdict may offer some sort of closure, but the Nithari case is far from over, leaving many questions yet to be answered. Surinder Kohli, the domestic help, had confessed to the CBI that he had raped and killed children and even eaten their flesh. And it was on the basis of this that the CBI charged him. But Pandher maintained throughout that he was innocent and the CBI found nothing concrete against him. And so the charge sheet does not have anything against him. Nevertheless, the court on its own has gone ahead and charged Pandher with kidnapping, murder, rape and destruction of evidence. But will the charges stick? Pandher is planning to move the Allahabad High Court against the conviction, and the CBI itself is not sure how to react to the court order, because they had in their charge sheet claimed that Pandher had been in Australia when the crime was committed. They even have his travel documents as proof.
इस जजमेंट की कॉपी जैसे ही आएगी तो हम अपने डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्यूशन हैं और जो भी लीगल ओपिनियन है उसके अनुसार कार्य करेंगे। अभी हमने जजमेंट देखी नहीं है, जैसी जजमेंट आएगी हम उसको।
But this is only the first of 15 cases against Pandher. Even if he gets a respite from a higher court in this case, Nithari victims' families hope that the charges in the other 15 cases stick. With Neeta Sharma, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.